Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we will be playing Minecraft. So, my mom actually bought this for me, and I made two worlds, and I kind of checked everything out and all that. So, we're going to create a new world, ta-da! And yeah, multiplayer, I do not know. Multiplayer game. Yes, please. Okay, so, my world name will be... What should it be? I'm just gonna emeralds, boys. As normal, we're actually gonna put it on easy because I'm not that good at this game. I'm gonna start with a bonus chest. Infinite, yes, please. The seed will be 666. I do not know why. Friendly fire. Okay, we have. Oh, I'm actually gonna show coordinates. What's Yes, and we can do. So we're not gonna do cheats at all. We're gonna do it normal. So let's do this. We are now creating the world. Okay, so let's do this. And guys, I also have more games that I am gonna do videos on. So I am gonna do videos on them as well. So I hope you guys enjoy the other ones. And I hope you enjoy this as well. So here we go, baby. Starting off in a brand. Oh gosh. So we're starting off, as you can see, it's kind of laggy. But as you can see, we're starting off in a brand new world. You're not gonna find any parrots or anything. Okay, this is a pretty good start here. So yeah. So I don't really think we need seeds. I don't know, but we are getting a bit of food. So we're getting wood. Apparently, yeah, this was kind of a good idea to actually grab this bonus chest. Pretty handy. Okay, we got some cocoa beans if we want to make. And then we got one more piece of wood. Okay, so right now we're set. That's all we had. We're actually going to grab the torches. So I'm going to grab these torches here. And my character is Alex. Just so you know. So right now, so since it's a new world, you might as well start off going somewhere. I do know where a village is. Maybe we trade with them. I don't know. Let's see if we can get today. So we're gonna. I want to see if we can find a village. Usually, my Xbox 360 version, I spawn. I get. I don't know what to move. Come on, guys. Pause on the game. Alright, there we go. Okay, I just had to fix something real